So we're back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out the Aecooly Cool Air Ultra. This is a handheld fan device that utilizes not just the actual fan air current, but also a ability to create a really cool moisture misting outlet on it as well. That actually utilizes some really cool features. We'll talk about them a little bit more. But let's open this up. We'll talk a little bit more about it, and we'll actually try it out. Okay, so the box is really nice, really cool. We got a little guard there. We got some attachment nozzle pieces. That's interesting. Don't really get that a lot from fans. You got a directed one. You've got one that can brush, and then a really small outlet one. I guess you could use this as kind of like an air blower as well, which is nice. Just gonna clean some stuff up. Then we got the actual unit here. We got an actual screen. Little protector on it. That's the misting nozzle there, the air turbine. Got a little hanger on the bottom, and then a charging plug right there. That's the misting button. If you would need to open this up, you can actually just turn that little hanging piece there. And then this is the water compartment. This is the hose for pulling the water up. It's all right in there. Just place that right back down there. Twist to lock. Pull down, and you're back closed and ready to go. This is your power button here. Wow. This is at 60%. That's 80. Oh my goodness, that is strong. And that's 100%. Wow. That is some definitely interesting options there. But you can see here, it's actually got a little branding right there. Also inside the box, we have what's called an accessory box. And in here, we have what looks to be like a little brush. A temperature guide. A little product safety warranty manual, a power cord, USB-C to USB-A, a little lanyard to hold it so you don't drop it, then the actual user manual. So this is a 7,000 milliamp battery built into this. That'll give you about 10 hours of use on this fan, which is pretty impressive. On top of that, it uses a high pressure micropore atomization to create microns of water out of this device right there, giving you a full 8 minutes of misting from a full fluid filled chamber. On top of that, it does say that it can reduce 18 degrees in an area for its use just in 8 seconds. And when it's using the fan at full strength, as well as the atomized water coming at you in small microns, which is just really impressive. Yeah, let's fill this thing up with water and then show you what it looks like when it's being used. And we'll be right back. So at its highest speed, it's capable of producing 82 feet per second of wind power, which is pretty impressive. The actual adapters snap on and are magnetic, and that will really allow you to get some pinpointed pressure. Or if you just want to have a tighter window, additionally, you can see on here the battery indicator as well as the wind speed, which will show up here in a second. And the top left there, that is the indicator saying that the water reservoir is empty. You need to refill it. But this is really powerful, and this summer is going to be a hot one. So I highly recommend you check this out, pick this up for yourself, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.